I gotta say, I really do like covering the Diablo 4 news, and this is just an absolute riot. And we're gonna jump right into this and take a look at it. But Blizzard pulls season 2 trailer. Let's check this out. All right, this is via PC Game. That got almost everything wrong. It's fumbled some, stun locking the streamer with laughter. And I gotta say, this guy, like, his video is hilarious. His reaction's funny, and we're gonna check it out. But just briefly, via PC Gamer, Diablo 4's Season of Blood drops tomorrow, aka today, because you're watching this today. In the run-up, the game's social media accounts have been in overdrive, dropping trailers, explainer videos, memes, and all that good stuff. One such video, however, came and went like a vampire in the night, as spotted by PC Games On, a video promising to explain the best quality of life changes with Season of Blood. Was pulled from Diablo 4's official Twitter account earlier this week after it didn't do that. It's gone now, but the internet's collective all-seeing eye has immortalized it forever. So basically what they did was they released a trailer explaining like all these quality of life things and changes, but whoever edited the video was not paying attention whatsoever. And let's check out the reaction that this YouTuber / streamer Rax and Terex, I'll put a link to his channel down below. It's freaking hilarious, guys. It's absolutely hilarious. Let's check this out.
So Diablo just put a trailer out for the Season of Blood. Everyone's excited for it. I want to give some constructive feedback.
And to be, I'm laughing because of his laughter.
Here, because I think Blizzard needs to do a little bit of a better job in selling their own stuff. So.
And he brings up, and he's a genuine dude, and he's just bringing up like legit things that they messed up on this trailer. And one specific one was how they mixed up the better dungeons that they have now for Nightmare. And well, here we go.
They got it backwards. The one with the square on the bottom right is the old one, and the new one is here. So I think they have it backwards. This is the old one.
Yeah. So I mean, it's clear that they completely messed this up. Not only that, and it's about like they were demonstrating on like how travel's a bit faster with the horse. The horse got some buffs, and I think when I covered the video, I think one of my videos, I think it was about like a 15% plus increase in just standard speed. But they tried to display this here in the trailer. Let's take a look.
At the season's launch. Next up are Sanctuary's best method of travel.
Here's the improvements to the horse, but here's my constructive feedback here. With the way that you showed here, it's almost impossible to tell which horse is better.
You can't.
They'll be getting an increase to their base speed, their sprinting speed, and
they're both just trotting along on the
horse.
It's practically the same thing.
Elixir bonuses, seasonal blessings, things like that are all multiplicative with one another.
So that's another thing. To be fair, if you really look at the video, you could see that the horse is trotting a bit faster on the top than it is on the bottom. But here's where it gets extra funny, is when the math kicks in. Okay? And he explains it very well.
Rather than each adding together.
Okay, so the top row. 1,000 times 40% is not 1,040. If you had meant 1,000.
So they got the math completely incorrect here.
Times 1.4. That is also not 1,040. What this is just 1,000 plus 40. But it gets better. Then they say the one at the bottom is 1,000 times 1.2. Okay, fine. And then times 1.2, and it's supposed to be 1,400.
They completely messed up the math on this.
So Everything here is wrong.
How do you do this, Blizzard? Blizzard, how do you do this? Like, where's your QA on watching making sure that your videos are like, have some sort of consistency here? Because this is just laughable. And it's laughable because you have a multi-million-dollar company that's just cranking out these videos and nobody's looking at this. Oh, it is laughable. It's so funny. Let me find the part.
I'm trying to build some hype for your season, but you're making it real hard.
Oh my gosh. It's too funny. It's just too funny. And I'll leave the rest of the video for you guys to watch in the description, but damn, I just, here, listen. At the end of the day, it's too funny. And they should, come on, Blizzard. Like, I don't know. I think we'll let this one slide. And I wonder, like, come on, man. Like, Blizzard, I need a full-time job. If you need a full-time video editor that actually knows how to do basic math, Blizzard, please. I am your man, because I need a full-time job like no other. So, anyways, that's it. That's the thing. It's just too funny. And I don't think yeah. Blizzard, you get my pass. But hey, are you excited about this new season? I think, honestly, overall and generally, when I read what the quality of life updates were and the fixes, it might actually get me back in the game. So let me know what you guys think. Is it enough? One of my previous videos, I kind of lightly went into some of the adjustments and whatnot. But I can't help but think about how ridiculous this video is. Are you guys hyped for season 2? Let me know. Leave some comments down below. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys very much. That's some news. All right, Blizzard, you get a pass.